Look at this! Millions of old fire hydrants! Where do they go? Let's find out! They are completely rusted and useless, but not for long. First step, stripping off the history, taking away the rust.
Look at that crust peel off. It's satisfying to watch.
Now they are stripped, ready for a high-pressure bath.
Every hidden corner gets flushed. They must be perfectly clean.
Squeaky clean. Look at that pure metal underneath.
Draining off the excess water. They are heavy, cold, and ready to be crushed. Hundreds of them, moving in perfect sync.
All the toxic sludge is separated. We only keep the good stuff.
Into the fire they go. Time to evaporate every single drop of moisture.
It gets insanely hot in here. Bacon and bone dry.
No moisture left. This ensures perfect melting later on. Out of the oven. Now comes the brutal part. Say goodbye to their original form. The crusher is waiting. Smash! Crunch! These giant teeth tear through solid cast iron like paper. Absolutely destroyed. Broken into pieces. Smaller and smaller. We need tiny metal chips. Look at those sparks fly, shredding solid iron into silver confetti.
Beautiful, pure iron chips, ready for rebirth.
Millions of shiny chips. But wait, we must wash them again. Blasting away the cutting fluids and fine dust.
A final, gentle rinse. Pure iron is ready.
Draining out. We can't melt water. A silver waterfall. Incredible texture. Time to turn up the heat, preheating the chips.
Getting dangerously hot. The metal is glowing.
Baking out all impurities, preparing for the big melt.
Hot, dry, and pure. Watch them pour out. Loading the buckets. The furnace is hungry.
Thousands of tiny pieces, ready to become one liquid mass.
There it is. The belly of the beast. 3,000 degrees. Drop it in. Boom. Instant melting. Look at it dissolve. The metal is turning into soup.
Melting down the old, making way for the new.
Pure liquid iron. It's like a volcano in a factory. Flowing like water, but heavy and deadly hot. guiding the molten iron to its final destination.
Filling up the pouring ladle. Next stop, the molds.
Pouring the fiery soup into sand molds. A new shape is born. The liquid metal fills every tiny detail of the mold.
Now, we wait. Let the iron cool and solidify.
Smash the mold. Behold, the newborn fire hydrant.
Still blazing hot. You definitely don't want to touch this.
Cooling down. The iron shell hardens, but the core remains magma.
Look at the army of hydrants marching down the line.
Shock cooling. Hitting the blazing iron with cold water. Washing off the burnt sand. They are turning completely black.
Perfect raw cast iron. Now, they must dry again.
Quick dry. No rust allowed before polishing. Bone dry and tough as nails. Let's make them shine. Grinding away the rough edges. Spark shower.
Polishing to perfection, revealing the shiny silver armor.
The magic moment. Painting them iconic fire engine red.
A glossy red coat. They look absolutely gorgeous.
Drying the paint under massive fans. Almost ready.
An endless line of brand new heroes. Flawless.
From rusty trash to shiny lifesavers.
Packed up and ready to hit the streets again.
Millions recycled. Ready to save lives. That is how it's made.